Hello guys, so today I wanted to show you what Opebi and Allen looks like right now in Ikeja. Today is Friday 3rd October 2025. If you know Opebi and Allen Avenue very well, you know that it holds so many memories for many Lagosians. And if you've never been to Nigeria, if you've never been to Lagos, this is what Opebi and Allen looks like in Lagos, Nigeria. This is a metropolitan area in Lagos. For years, several companies and industries have reached their 10th year. Together, these companies make a turnover of at least 1.5 billion naira monthly. This and more has made this place one of the most influential and expensive areas in Lagos. To do business here or to live in this area, you have to have lots of money, except if you want to stay in the shanty part of this area. Because in every community there's always the shanty areas that are not so expensive, but even at that, those shanty areas are still more expensive than places in other cities. So in this video, I'll just be taking you around Opebi and Allen to show you how it looks like in 2025. Some of the areas in this place are being currently worked on by the government, so you might see some places that are not looking so well. Yes, but after a few months it will look better than that. The government of Lagos is working on that.